100 videos. When you hear those two words, they probably sound like just another milestone, just another number on YouTube. 100 uploads, 100 thumbnails, 100 times pressing the publish button. और honestly, most people सिर्फ इतना ही देखते हैं. But for me, those 100 videos were never really about videos. ये 100 मॉर्निंग्स थी जहां मुझे डिसाइड करना पड़ता था कि आज कंटिन्यू करना है या गिव अप. There were 100 opportunities to choose discipline over excuses. 100 chances to prove to myself that consistency is not just a word people post online. It's something you build one day at a time. और आज आई एम नॉट हियर टू टेल यू द स्टोरी ऑफ अ यूट्यूब चैनल. मैं यहाँ बताने आया हूँ कि 100 डेज तक खुद से किया हुआ प्रॉमिस निभाने के बाद एक इंसान के अंदर क्या बदलता है. बिकॉज इन द एंड द चैनल इज नॉट व्हाट चेंजेस, द पर्सन बिहाइंड इट डज. One day I asked myself a simple question. If I keep living exactly the way I am right now, how different will my life be 1 year from today? और जो आंसर मिला वो काफी अनकंफर्टेबल था. Almost nothing would change. मैं प्लान्स बना रहा था, गोल्स लिख रहा था, मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस देख रहा था और एक बेटर फ्यूचर इमेजिन कर रहा था, बट माई डेली एक्शंस स्टेड एग्जैक्टली द सेम. तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि प्रॉब्लम नॉलेज की नहीं थी. The problem was a lack of action. I wanted my life to change without changing myself. So instead of making another promise about success, subscribers or views, मैंने एक छोटा सा promise किया. One upload every single day. I couldn't control the result, but I could control whether I showed up. The rule was incredibly simple. Upload one video every single day. It didn't matter if the video performed well or not. It didn't matter if I felt motivated, confident or inspired. चाहे मूड हो या ना हो, चाहे मैं टायर्ड हूं या बिजी, वन अपलोड होना ही था. सुनने में ये बहुत इजी लगता है, but when you repeat the same action every day for 100 days, you begin to realize something important. Consistency is not difficult because it's painful. Consistency is difficult because it's repetitive. It's boring. और ज्यादा लोग impossible वर्क की वजह से क्विट नहीं करते. They quit because doing the same thing over and over stops feeling exciting. Most people spend their lives chasing motivation. वो वेट करते हैं परफेक्ट मॉर्निंग का, परफेक्ट मूड का या इंस्पायरेशन का, किसी मैजिकल मोमेंट का बिफोर दे बिगिन. बट मोटिवेशन इज टेम्पररी. इट कम्स एंड गोज लाइक द वेदर. कभी होती है, कभी बिल्कुल डिसअपियर हो जाती है. इफ योर एक्शन डिपेंड्स ऑन मोटिवेशन, देन योर प्रोग्रेस विल ऑलवेज बी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. इसीलिए डिसिप्लिन इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है. Discipline does not mean you always feel excited to work. It means you work even when you don't feel like it. और ये lessons मैंने किसी बुक या सोशल मीडिया कोट से नहीं सीखा. I learned it by living through these 100 days. People only see the upload. They never see everything that happens before the upload. There were days when I didn't feel like editing. Days when my internet made even uploading a video frustrating. Days when the thumbnail was finished at the last possible minute. और कुछ दिन ऐसे भी थे जब व्यूज इतने कम आए कि मैंने खुद से पूछा, क्या ये सब वर्थ इट भी है? There were moments of comparison, moments of self-doubt and moments where I genuinely wondered if I was good enough to keep going. But every single time I pressed that publish button, एक ही thought मेरे दिमाग में था, the promise is still alive. कभी कभी बस इतना ही enough होता है. Sometimes keeping your word to yourself is a bigger victory than any number YouTube can show you. Over these 100 days, the number changed, views increased, subscribers came in, watch time improved. Analytics taught me a lot about content, audience, and YouTube itself. But there was one thing those numbers could never measure: who I was becoming. YouTube can tell me how many people watched a video. It can tell me how long they stayed. लेकिन ये कभी नहीं बता सकता कि ये जर्नी मुझे कितना डिसिप्लिन, पेशेंट और रेसिलेंट बना रही थी. Numbers can measure performance. They can't measure personal growth. और लॉन्ग रन में वही पार्ट सबसे ज्यादा मैटर करता है. I don't think most people fail because they lack talent. मुझे लगता है वो फेल इसलिए होते हैं क्योंकि वो ऑर्डिनरी डेज सर्वाइव ही नहीं कर पाते. Everyone loves the beginning. Everyone enjoys the excitement of starting something new. But very few people are writing to continue when the excitement disappears. Success is not built during extraordinary moments. It's built during the quiet, repetitive, ordinary days that nobody talks about. और वही ऑर्डिनरी डेज डिसाइड करते हैं कि आप वो इंसान बनोगे जो बनना चाहते थे या वही रहोगे जो हमेशा से थे. The biggest reward from these 100 days was not the subscribers. It was not the views. It was not even reaching the milestone. सबसे बड़ा रिवॉर्ड था becoming someone who trusts himself. 100 days ago, I used to say I'll try. आज मैं कहता हूँ I'll do it. डिफरेंस छोटा लग सकता है but it changes everything. It's no longer just about completing a challenge. It's about becoming the kind of person who keeps promises even when nobody is watching. 100 days पहले मुझे कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए थी. आज कंसिस्टेंसी स्लोली मेरी आइडेंटिटी बन रही एंड आई बिलीव दैट्स ओनली द बिगिनिंग. Thank you to everyone who watched the video, liked it, shared it, left a comment या silently support किया without saying a single word. Thank you. You probably don't realize how much a single view or a single comment can mean to a creator. कभी कभी नंबर्स नहीं, बस ये फीलिंग कि किसी ने आपकी बात कनेक्ट करके फील वही कंटिन्यू करने की वजह बन जाती है. If you have been a part of this journey in any way, thank you for being here. 100 videos are complete, but this does not feel like the end. या ये honestly beginning जैसा feel हो रहा है. From this point forward, the goal is not just to upload more videos. The goal is to create better ones, better stories, better ideas, better editing, better conversations. मैंने सिर्फ ऐसे वीडियोस नहीं बनाना चाहता जो लोग देखकर भूल जाए. I want to create videos that stay with people long after they have closed YouTube. So whether you have been here since day one or today is the very first time you have discovered this channel, welcome. This is not the end of a channel, it's the beginning of Helza. If this video made you think, subscribe to Helza because here we talk about things most people ignore. Thanks.